everybody. Today I want to go through a new automation with you all. This one is a web-based automation that runs completely online and not on my Mac. And yes, the service we're going to use is called Zapier. I'm sure a lot of you out there have heard of it. But we're going to try out my first automation, or at least see how I set mine up. So we're going to log in to Zapier here. I'll click again. And this one's going to be blurred out in the final video. And here is the interface. Sign up, it's for free. And then there's different tiers of the subscription, and if you want more zaps, which is automations, and it gives you access to other services that you can connect to. For my purposes though, I've only signed up for the free tier, and I was able to get access to a YouTube and Twitter actions for the automation. So let's take a look. Here's the automation that I have. So it says here, when you first create a video, it will get triggered and create a tweet. So here are the details for the video. So once you upload a video, it already knows your channel ID, and it knows the video you want to upload because it's the latest one. And so yeah, so that's the first part of the Zapier trigger, or automation, I should say. And then here is the next one. When it sees a new video is out on my channel, the app Twitter will create a tweet using my username, and this is what the tweet will say. Hey all, check out the latest video on my channel. It'll give you the title of the video, and it should give the URL. Now, this works great and all, except that so far I have not been able to have that link be a live blue link that somebody can click on. And in Twitter right now, it just shows as text. So it gives you the title just fine, but even the link shows up as not hyperlinked. And that's always been the case with online automation platforms. When I used to use IFTT, if then that, it would tweet it just fine, except the whole tweet that IFTT sent would be the entire tweet. The image would be the entire tweet, meaning that an image would include the text and the image or link that the tweet had. And it just wasn't very presentable, and you can tell that it was automated. And that's not what you want when you are trying to automate things. You are the goal for automation is to make the tweets as if you were doing them yourself, except you're having a machine do it. So when there's these other complexities that you weren't aware of, it doesn't make for a good automation. So I used IFTT for a while, and I stopped using online automation platforms altogether. And now I thought I would try Zapier, see if I can create a Zap that works well. So now I have this tweet that we're gonna try out, and hopefully this will be a series, and every time I create a new Zap, I will share it with you guys on YouTube. And the links will hopefully be automated. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for today. Hope you guys liked it. And please like, subscribe, share, and comment on what you guys think of Zapier. And I will see you all in the next video.